gĩthurano-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Mwea Kauntii-inĩ ya Kirinyaga nĩ kwa mũbango wa ũheani wa tauro cia ũtheru ũrugũrĩtio itanya arĩ kũgitĩra mwana wa kairĩtu mathomo-inĩ.
We are happy to have received quite a good number of sanitary towels for our junior secondary school, and this will help us because the girls will no longer have problems of absenteeism from the school, because they will each get 80 packets, and these ones will even ease the problems to the parents.
Thirikari Kuhetukira Ministry ya Gĩthomo Kauntii-inĩ ya Kirinyaga Yugiite namba ya arutwo a Airitu arĩa Makoretwo Magithii Thukuru Kauntii-inĩ ya Kirinyaga Ikoretwo ĩrĩ igũrũ kumana na mũbango wa thirikari wa kũhe Airitu tauro cia ũtheru thukuru-inĩ.
Since this program started, the number has been decreasing, and now we still hope that the number is going to decrease, because like now in the school that we are in, we have not had any cases of dropout of late of such issues. So the program is going a long way to ensure that our girls are retained in schools.
Kuringana na mũmbunge wa kaunti ya Kirinyaga Jeremiah, itanya rĩa thirikari nĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ namba ya airitu arĩa me thukuru-inĩ cia mũthingi matikwaga gũthiĩ kĩrathi kumana na kahinda ka mweri.
And we have said as county MPs that we must be responsible in ensuring that all our girls are staying in school when they have their monthly period.
This program will go a long way to ensure that our girls are in school when they are having their periods, such that they will not be out of schools. The parents will be at peace because some of their burden has been offloaded.
Jerry augĩte atĩ ambunge nĩ megũkorwo magĩthiĩ na mbere na gwĩkĩra kĩgĩna kĩa mũbango ũyũ budget-inĩ nĩguo arutwo aingĩ mathiĩ na mbere na kũgunĩka.
It is important that the government understands that we need even more funding beyond the Kenya shillings 940 million that was allocated in the previous budget, so that we can give all our school-going children sanitary towels and ensure they're at par with the boys. We're distributing to over 19,000 JSS students who will take 8 packets of sanitary towels each to ensure that when they have their monthly period, they stay in school. Most of these girls come from very underprivileged backgrounds, and you find that their parents sometimes do not have Kenya shillings 100 to buy a packet of sanitary towels for them.
Arutani makiuga atĩ rita rĩrĩ makuruhanĩtie mathomo maya kũrĩ nginya ciana cia tũĩ nĩguo mũbango ũyũ ndũkonekage ũrĩ ũndũ mũritũ kũrĩ ciana cia mathukuru. Maugĩte atĩ mũbango ũyũ nĩ ũkũhũra njeki arutwo na njĩra nene mathukuru-inĩ.
The main challenge when the girls are away or the students are away from school, the performance becomes low, or they perform very poorly because they miss the lessons. And so when they are in school throughout, they are able to perform quite very well, and that is why our school is performing in school.
Gĩthomo Mubango TV, Chitikaga Wangari wa Njuguna.